So kung makikita nyo guys, ito yung name ng company ng application. And kung i-check natin dito sa PayPal account ko, kung makikita nyo guys is payment from this company has already been completed and yung na-receive ko po is $20. So kung i-check natin yung transaction, so ayan guys yung transaction ko, payment received from this company. So, may bawas lang siya guys, may transaction fee lang siya ng $1.18. So, not bad na rin, at least paying siya. Kung interesado kayo sa mga extra income online, legit paying application na pwedeng pagkakitaan or any application tricks, i-check nyo lang yung mga videos ko rito sa channel ko and don't forget to subscribe and press mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga future uploads ko. Hello guys! Welcome back sa channel ko. In today's video, I'll be having an application review and of course, gagawan ko rin siya ng withdrawal test if it's paying or not. So, yung application name guys is Play and Win. So, ito po ay game app where you can get huge rewards. Basically guys, dito sa app na to, you can make simple tasks to earn points and redeem your points to cash out real money. And of course guys, pwede rin kayong maglaro ng games dito sa application na to earn more. Alright guys, so i-walkthrough ko lang muna kayo sa application na to bago ko siya gawan ng withdrawal test. And yes, this is just a very short video only and be sure guys to watch this till the end bago nyo i-download tong application na to. Alright, so let's jump into this application. Alright guys, as of the moment, ito yung mga games na pwede nyong laruin. Basically guys, simple game lang naman siya and para lang siyang betting game. So check natin tong Scratcher. So dito guys, to start in this game, it requires 50 points. So kung makita mo dito guys sa top left corner, dito sa portion na to, ang required points niya po is 50 points. And as of the moment guys, ang available points ko pa lang is 11. So I won't be able to enter in this game. Pero guys, yun nga, napakasimple lang naman. If may enough points ka, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is to click this start button. So back natin. And check naman natin dito guys sa wheel. So dito naman guys, ang required points lang na kailangan dito to start in this game is 10 points lang. And since may available 11 points ako, is pwede akong mag-spin. So try nating mag-spin. Ang gagawin lang natin is click lang natin tong start the wheel. And by the way guys, pwede mo rin tong i-adjust yung rewards. Kung gusto mong i-double yung rewards mo, click mo lang tong add icon and it will double your reward. Pero yung each spin po guys, ang required po niyan is 10 points. So bawasan natin and click natin ulit yung start the wheel. So ayun, nakakuha ako ng 2 points, medyo mababa. So better luck next time for me. So kung makikita nyo guys, meron pa akong 9 available chances or 9 turns to play in this game. And kapag ka naubos na yan, ang gagawin nyo lang is to wait the reset time. So makikita nyo rito guys sa portion na to yung countdown nya. Alright, and then check natin yung another game. So close lang natin to. And check natin tong tripler. And dito naman sa game na to guys, ang required points niya rin is 10 points. So ang gagawin mo lang is to click this start button to spin. And yon. And dito naman sa Lotto, so enter natin. So dito guys, kailangan nyo lang tumaya or mag-bet ng number nyo. So pick lang kayo ng numbers dito. So let's say yan. So kapag nakapili na kayo, click nyo lang tong confirm. And yung required points din dito guys is 50 points. And yun nga guys, everyday ina-announce naman yung winner dito. So dito nyo makikita yung previous winner. So dito guys sa free points available, i-click nyo lang yung collect para makakuha kayo ng free points. So yun guys, nakaklaim ako ng free points na 40 and meron na akong 43 points. And yung next bonus guys is after 24 hours ulit. So dito guys, pwede rin kayong mag-invite ng friend nyo. Click nyo lang tong invite na icon and you can share your link or copy this link. And dito naman sa cash withdraw, dito nyo makikita yung mga available cash reward and yung exchange. And dito naman sa points withdraw guys, dito nyo makikita yung different gift cards that they offered. So kung makikita nyo nga guys, merong 7,000 points where you can redeem for $5. And meron namang 13,000 points where you can get $10. And meron ding 24,000 points and you will get $20. And yung pinaka-maximum nila guys is $50 where you need 5,000 points to redeem. Sa leaderboard naman guys, dito nyo makita yung list of winners each game. And dito naman sa history, dito nyo makikita yung account history nyo or lahat ng activities nyo. So sa games, kung meron kayong referrals, and yung withdrawal transaction nyo. Alright? And by the way guys, para makakuha kayo ng additional points, kailangan nyo lang i-take yung task like installing application or watching videos. And you will obtain that by playing into this game. So for example guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo dito sa Tripler. So kung makikita nyo, meron akong available 33 points. So start spin tayo. So, ayun guys, nakakuha ako ng 15 points. And right now guys, meron na akong available 38 points. So, back natin. So, ito yung sinasabi ko guys. I-install mo lang tong application na to, and once you install, just run the application and wait for some time. And afterwards guys, makakakuha kayo ng additional points. Alright? So, back natin. Ayun. So guys, kung may questions kayo, i-click nyo lang tong contact us and dito nyo makikita yung FAQ or yung frequently asked questions. And dito guys, i-highlight ko lang sa inyo yung mga important informations that you need to know. So yun nga guys, every reward na makukuha nyo sa mga may install nyong application is makakredit po yan sa inyo after 30 seconds right after na makomplete nyo yung offer. And of course guys, kailangan po ng internet connection yan to download the application. And additionally guys, the high paying offers, it may take a while. And may mga instances din guys na yung mga madadownload nyong advertised na application is hindi kayo makakakuha ng reward. So ito yung mga possible reasons kung bakit. So yung first is kapag kayong advertised application na in-install mo is na-install na pala siya sa device mo previously or in the past, wala po kayong makukuhang rewards dyan. And another reason guys is yung application na yon is no longer advertised dun sa mismong page nila or sa system. Or kaya naman yung application na yon was already sold out nung time na din-download mo. Or kung talaga namang sure ka na may makukuha ka talagang reward dun, pwede mo silang kontakin sa email na to and responsive naman sila. Alright guys, so withdrawal test tayo and check natin tong application na to if it's paying ba or not. And gagamitin ko yung main account ko. So logout ko lang muna itong account na to. So as you can see guys, dito sa account ko, meron na akong naipon na more than 24,000 points. Alright, so let's try to redeem these points now. So punta lang tayo dito sa points withdraw. So since meron na akong 24,000 points, pwede ko na siyang i-redeem into this PayPal money which is itong $20. So click lang natin to. So let me just enter my PayPal email here. So guys, make sure na i-enter nyo dito yung PayPal email nyo. Alright? And then click lang natin tong check. So as you can see guys, yung withdrawal status is exchange request was successful. So check natin guys. Close natin. And as you can see guys, yung available points ko na lang is 23 points. So check natin sa history. So kung makikita nyo dito sa withdrawal transaction ko, yung niredeem ko is pending na po siya. And wait ko na lang within 3 to 7 business days na pumasok sa PayPal account ko yung winidraw ko dito kung talagang legit na paying tong application na to. Alright guys, welcome back again. And as you can see, in just 3 days lang is completed na po yung ni-request kong withdrawal na $20 dito sa application na to. And na-receive ko na rin yung email from PayPal na na-credit na yung payment sa account ko. So kung makikita nyo guys, ito yung name ng company ng application. And kung i-check natin dito sa PayPal account ko, kung makikita nyo guys is payment from this company has already been completed and yung na-receive ko po is $20. So kung i-check natin yung transaction, so ayan guys yung transaction ko, payment received from this company. So may bawas lang siya guys, may transaction fee lang siya ng $1.18. So not bad na rin, at least paying siya. Alright guys, kung gusto nyong itry itong application na to, ilalagay ko na lang yung link nito sa description. And kung may mga questions kayo guys, comment lang kayo down below and I'll try my best to respond each of you. So guys, happy earnings and that's it for today. Kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, please don't forget to like and share nyo na rin sa mga friends nyo. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga new upload ko.